Hello guys, this is Vishwendra Rawat and welcome to my vlog channel Security One. So, you know, we were going through a lot right now uh, through this pandemic, and I came up with an idea to make up a YouTube channel to help out to those people who really want a help and really want to get into the security field, and few college students who still are not aware what career path should they choose. So I'll give you a brief an idea about what is security field, what it is comprises, what salary you would have, what kind of resources you need to learn. When I was in college in 2018, there were I don't remember a single opportunity that could related to security field. I was not even aware about it. So that is why I got into a field related to consultancy. So over there I got to learn about various number of things, how things work out in the industry, what kind of roles are there, what things you need to do, what needs to be prepared for. So all those things. I'll start out with a salary part. Salary part is very important for everyone. Even college student thinks that then finally after working for 1.5 years, I realized that this field, because I was working on security related things, so I get to know about what security is and what types of job opportunities are there. So I have you know been in touch with various number of security developers, engineers, or be it senior management people like CSOs. Regarding salary part, I discussed with them because as a consultant it was my job to get them a job. So I really helped them out, and a few people are still working out in those companies where they were placed by me. That salary part, there are few things that you can do side by side, like bug bounty programs are there. So bug bounty is basically where you need to find out a bug in a specific companies, like private website or network or Android or or iOS application. So these all things would really help you out getting a good job with the salary side by side, earning a lot of money through bug bounty programs. So financially, if I talk about, it's a very good job. You would be very financially stable. And second of all, you know you need to know, security field is not a small field or industry. It's a way bigger than that, because there are multiple different types of roles, like DLP solution you need to provide, data loss prevention we call it, or forensic investigation of the websites, or if a crime scene have been happened, so you need to investigate those things. Most of the government organization do this. Rest, VAPT part, which is our most important, and mostly guys you would see in VAPT. So VAPT is vulnerability assessment and penetration testing. So assessment of a vulnerability is, that is why we call it vulnerability assessment. Then you need to exploit that vulnerability to extract out of a very good amount of data or information that can really help out in exploiting that website or network, or be it applications. So VAPT is the most common thing, and other than that there is a SOC analyst or SIEM. So SIEM guys and SOC analysts do a real time, they look for the live attacks that are happening. So there are multiple number of tools in the industry like Splunk, ArcSight. These provide, you can use these tools to basically know whether there is a live attack going on or not. And rather than this, except this, there are security position in automobile sector also, because now we have a smart cars like Tesla. So So Tesla Motors, there are automotive security engineers over there. IoT devices are there, so IoT security is there, Internet of Things. After that, cloud security, because most, like nowadays, mostly your data is stored on the cloud, so cloud security is also very important. So these are the field, web security, application security, network security, cloud security, IoT security, automobile security, and forensic investigation, data loss prevention. Like, there are multiple enormous number of opportunity for you to be into a security field as a, working as a security professional. Except that you, like, there is no division, proper division of everything, or a family tree of these things. But most of these things come under the cyber security thing. So I, like, on a personal note, I have divided it into two categories, mostly a blue team part and a red team part. So blue team is where you would be mostly defending your parameter, be it your network, be it your web application, be it your Android or iOS apps. So mostly defense part would be there. You would be providing solution that can help your organization into defending from those attacks. So you are creating a parameter of a security so that no one would be able to penetrate inside. Similarly, red team part is, it's slightly different, because mostly red team guys, they don't provide solutions for the, or provide a parameter so that no one would be able to get inside, but they actually test out those parameters that are set up by a blue team guy. So you would be attacking a lot of different types of attack you would be doing just to get inside that building. So, or company's parameter, be it, like as I told you earlier, be it network, be it web application, be it Android application or iOS application. So this is a division which I have created, like, on my personal note. And except that, like, salary wise, you would be like, you would be rich, I would call that, because if you are doing a hard work, it requires this particular field requires a lot of hard work, and you need not to worry about the salary part, or money or financial stability. So that is a plus point to get into security. And one more thing, there are a huge requirement of security professionals right now in India, because we are, like, moving toward like a generation who would be using everything digitally. So we need to secure those digital platforms so that there would not be a huge loss. Now I'll talk about the resources. For resources, I would say, if you are like, I can suggest you some resources in the red teaming part, because I myself chose this field as to be a professional. So, like, related to red teaming, you can use, you can start with the DVWA, which is a damn vulnerable web application. So it's a very, very good platform to do practical attacks. So just go through DVWA, set it up on your computer or laptop, and start doing practical attacks. Side by side, learn various number of things from YouTube, because there are lot of free material that is available on the YouTube, be it Google. You can look for those things. Thank you for watching this YouTube video. I hope you guys like it. So please guys, like, share and subscribe my channel Security One, and I'll come up again next week with an amazing video related to security. Thank you. Bye bye.